about 8:30 this morning, a motor vehicle collision occurred along the Washington Boulevard in the eastbound lane in the vicinity of Public Garden. It involved a public passenger vehicle, a white Toyota Coaster minibus, and a truck. Information received thus far is that the motor bus was coming at a high rate of speed and collided in the rear of the motor truck. Several persons were aboard the public passenger vehicle, to include a number of students. Quite a number of persons have been injured and have since been taken to the Kingston Public Hospital. So the information is still in its incubatory stages, but what is clear is that the motor bus, the public passenger vehicle, collided in the rear of the truck. We understand that the truck was heading easterly in the same lane. The driver slowed, getting prepared to observe the traffic light, the red signal, and the motor bus, which reports that was approaching at a high rate of speed, failed to maneuver properly and slammed into the rear of the truck. The bus is totally written off. A number of passengers were aboard, to include children, and I understand, based upon preliminary reports, that those injuries are serious. I've never seen anything like this in my time in the constabulary. However, one of the things we have to take into consideration is the careless maneuver on the public thoroughfare by our drivers who are motoring public. They are not heeding to protocols. For motoring public, they are not driving with due care, and it is just careless driving that resulted in this particular incident. I'm appealing to the motoring public to be cautious on our thoroughfare, to be careful when they are driving, and to look out for the safety of others using the very same thoroughfare. The intention is to arrive at your destination alive.